Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your activity history on Facebook in 2025. This helps you keep your account clean and maintain your privacy. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Then, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. From here, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, and then tap Settings. Now, look for Activity Log. This section keeps track of your searches, likes, comments, and other actions on Facebook. Tap on it to open inside the activity log. You'll see different filters like search history, posts you've interacted with, and more. To delete your search history, tap on Search History and select Clear All Searches at the top. For other activities, like posts you've liked or comments, you can tap the three dots next to each action and choose Delete or Remove, and that's it. That's how you can delete your history on Facebook in 2025, whether it's searches or other activities. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to check back again.